Hello everyone, I'm Nessie and today I'm going to cover how you can withdraw, how can you cash out from OLSP system. How can you can withdraw your balance, okay? If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about OLSP and affiliate marketing. And if you like this video, please give me a like. Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, so let's talk about how you can withdraw your commissions from OLSP system. So you need to check your withdrawable balance and you need to have at least $50. That's the minimum amount for withdrawal. So if you are a beginner in OLSP, you need to reach your $50 as soon as possible because you know you want to make more sales, you want to make more commissions, and the best way to do is of course to go through all the trainings in your dashboard in OLSP. You scroll down and you watch all the training so you can apply and apply everything in the real world, and that's will be the best practice for you to make commissions. Now it's important to make your first commission within your first 48 hours, and so you can get all the self-confidence that you can make a lot of money with the OLSP and you can sell much more and you can make much more commissions with it. Okay, so now, so if you are a beginner, my recommendation is to scroll down to use the Comment Dominator Pro Access product, and this is where you can earn commissions 25 cents per comment on Facebook posts. So you see I already made $83.25 and I made already 349 comments. So this section can help you to reach your first withdrawal very fast, okay? And so as a beginner, I really recommend you to use it to build your balance so you can make your first withdrawal much faster. And it's free money. Basically, it's free money. You get 25 cents per comment, and I'm already made a video how to comment, and you have all the training. You just watch Wayne's video over here, and from the 8 minute you can watch it, and this will help you to make your first withdrawal much faster. Okay, so now I'm going to move to the dashboard over here, and the most important thing to know about how to withdraw your commission. I don't remember if Wayne Crow made a video about it, but first of all you need to go to your profile. So this is how you go to your profile in OLSP. You click on this button over here, and you need to fill out everything here in your personal information, email, address, phone. But the most important, you need to fill out your commission payment details, okay, and your bank account or your PayPal email or whatever. So you need to choose whether you want to get paid through US dollars or Great Britain pounds. So you choose here your currency, and then here you can choose from one of these options. So you can choose PayPal, Wire, or Wise. Okay, if Wise is supported in your country, you can use Wise. If not, you can directly like I'm doing, you can withdraw straight to your bank account through bank transfer or Swift. So you have to fill in over here your Swift information or your bank account information, BIC or Swift. These are the two options if you want to withdraw to your bank account. So you have three options. The first one is PayPal. So you have to put your email, your PayPal email address over here, and the second option is bank wire, like I show you, like I'm doing now. And the third option is to use Wise, if Wise is supported in your country, so you can get the money straight to your Wise account. So 3 options over here. You choose whatever you want, and most important to fill out the last field over here, and you click, and most important, you click on save. Now I can make my withdrawal, and that's it over here in your personal information. Okay, so now I move to commissions. So this is very important, guys, so pay attention. You need to reach out $50. That's the minimum amount for withdrawal. And you can see I already made 4 withdrawals from OLSP. The first one was to PayPal, and the other 3 were to my bank account through bank transfers. You can see wire over here, and you can see the dates and the amount. And OLSP always paying and always trusted. Okay, so please note, minimum balance for withdrawal is $50 because of the volume of transactions. Please have payment request in by 5 p.m. UK time on a Friday. Payments will be paid the following week. Balances are available for withdrawal after 30 days. That means that if you have over here, if you have the balance over here, okay, you need to have at least, so when you make a new commissions, they keep the, they will release those commissions for you after 30 days to, to, if somebody made chargeback or refund, ask for refund, so, so the OLSP won't pay you commission, and then they have to, and so they can't pay you. They can't pay if somebody asked for payment or chargeback, so they want to make sure that everything is good, and then they can pay you. That's why they they hold your commission through 30 days time frame. Okay, so bottom line, you need to have at least $50 over here. And when you make the withdrawal, you will see it's pending over here, pending withdrawal. Okay. Now, one last thing, I'm going to click on request, and I will make my 331 withdrawal. And one last thing before I end up this video, if you make the payment, let's say on Friday or tomorrow on Friday, so it will take about 3 or 4 days to to land in your PayPal or Wise or bank account. Normally they will pay you the week after, so it's around 4 days, so you can expect the money to land in your account by next Monday or Monday through Wednesday. Okay, so around 4 or 5 days at the most. That's the time frame of the withdrawal. So now I'm going to hit on the request. Are you sure you want to withdraw $331? I click yes, I'm sure. Your request has been successful, and that's it, guys. This is how you can withdraw, and you see now it's pending withdrawal. $331, they are pending withdrawals. And that's it, guys. If you don't have account in OLSP and you want to join through me, my link will be under this video. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in my next video. You can also find my Facebook and my WhatsApp group under this video, so you get you get a training with me. Not only you get all the trainings from OLSP, you also get the training from me as your sponsor in OLSP. So the link will be under this video, and I will be happy to work with you and help you and assist you. Cheers, guys. See you in my next video.